not busy stocking the office with Skittles. I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.
Got the grandson, he's riding good today. Okay, I had to jump out in front of everybody. I've been like 3 or 4 cars back from my grandson all day. So I took off and got the lead. We're heading back to the truck and I want to get some good video of my grandson riding. He got stuck in this mud coming down, so let's see if I can get a good video of him coming up through here and show you how cute this is. This is awesome. Alright, so we'll wait for him to get here. Alright, here he comes. We had some Jeeps coming down, so we got them to stop. Here we go. Look at him just getting it. Oh, did you? I missed it. I'm sorry. Keep going. Keep going. Now give me gas. Hang on. Get off the gas. Don't move. There they go. Crazy little kid just takes off, man. They pack all work. He's doing a good job. Love it. Big obstacles for that little zinger. Well, I had to fill up a lot of squeaks. Grandson got tired. I had to throw his zinger on the back of the Ranger. And so we've been hauling up. And then it's not slow. It was pretty rough for Grand Sleeper. That's so great on it. My shocks are squeaking. Driving me crazy. Okay. Man, he'll fall here. I use the no bro. Can't get it straight. Oh, we got a traffic jam. That's a big creek down here. Yeah, a little traffic jam there across the creek. I was probably going to catch some Jeeps.
This is Ben Iard from Tuckahoe, New York. When I'm not out flying my drone, I'm watching idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on!